Here I've got HUAWEI Nova 9, and let me show you how to change the language on this device. So first of all, enter the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and here you will notice Language and Input. Click, and now go to Language and Region. And if you want to change your default language, select Add a Language, pick the one that you would like to apply. It can be, for example, Italian. Tap on Change to make it a default one. And as you can see from now on, your device is in Italian, so you can smoothly use it this way. Whenever you would like to change it, just pick Languages, select Remove, and delete those that you would like to remove. You can also pick the default one by swiping it up. But let me remove everything, and then tap on confirmation mark. And that will be all. This is it. This is how we can set up language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.